solar powered glow globe, a 2-pack. Let's open it up, get a close-up look. You get an inflatable pump, instructions, an LED remote, that you should have a supply 2025 battery that you remove the tab, put to the side. You have lights, raise and lower, off and on, 2, 4, 6, and 8 hours, RGB colors, and choices of different colors, 12 of them. A white, a flash, a strobe, a fade, and a smooth. Well, this is your blow-up area. And what you're going to do is you're going to just open it up. And if you don't have a pool and you want to put it outside, by a lake, by your front, anywhere, holiday times, you name it, there you go. So let's make sure that we get everything just opened up and pulled apart, so this way it could blow up real easy. There's your on and off. There's your pumping area, 2 areas of interest. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it back around, place in the little pump, and just take our time pumping up. If you don't want to use that pump, just grab something that will pump up the tool. Really that simple. Don't overinflate. They say just to inflate it where it's good enough, and then press this in. And then over here, this is where you're going to pour water, so this way he won't fall over. And that's the on and off button. Well, lucky I could take my nozzle out and see if I can get some water in here. And now he should stand up. It's Santa. Santa needs to be put in the sun. So we're going to leave him out there, let him catch some sun. We'll come back later and see how he works. We'll put Santa up in a little higher area. He'll get some sun shortly. We filled the bottom up with water this time, and we're going to pump this one up. There you go. Santa Claus is blown up, just like that. We have here is Santa. He's off, he's on, and on the bottom of the unit is where we turn things on. As you can see it lit up, we could change different colors. Red, green, blue, and so forth. We'll go through all the colors for you. And we'll come back a little later at nighttime.